In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Strava App Keeps Stopping error. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So to fix this error, there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix it. First, go to settings on your phone, and from settings, look for this option, apps. Under apps, go to manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, just search for Strava, tap on it to open, and here go to for stop and OK. Go to clear data and clear cache and OK. Finally clear all data. Now restart your smartphone and make sure you're not using any VPN app on your phone or any recently installed security app, as this might be the reason for this. You also want to go to Google Play Store or App Store and check if we have any latest version of Strava app updated to the latest version. Once you're done, now everything should be up and running without any issue. So let me know which of these was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.